Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious and amazing Lucknowi Galawati Kabab or Galawati Kabab. Galawati Kabab is named like so because it is so melt in mouth. The flavors of this is so amazing and this tastes so good. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ये रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन रो लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first in a blender jar take 5 to 6 cloves, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, half a mace, 1/4 of a nutmeg, 8 to 10 black peppercorns, seeds of 4 to 5 green cardamoms, seeds of 2 black cardamoms, 1 teaspoon of stone flour, 1 onion that is fried like birista, 1 inch of ginger, 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, 2 green chilies and 3 tablespoons of chopped raw papaya. Blend everything and then add 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves and 1 egg. Blend and make a smooth paste. So raw papaya is an important factor here because that makes the mutton melt in mouth. So here I have taken 450 grams of minced mutton or keema mutton. And to that I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt and the prepared paste and mixing them well for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of roasted besan or gram flour and mix everything well. Now take small portions on wet palms and make these kind of kebabs or balls. Make all the kebabs like so and freeze for half an hour. After that heat 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 teaspoons of ghee on a tawa or pan and place the prepared kebabs on the pan. Cook from one side for 5 to 7 minutes on medium flame and after that flip and cook them from the other side also for 2 to 3 minutes or till they are golden brown in color. So our kebabs are ready now. Serve them hot with some green chutney and some thin sliced onions and these taste so good. These has a delicious and soft taste of the garam masalas we added and they are so melt in mouth. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.